Hi guys, Ron, Tick Tips, Tick Stuff, how's it going? It was brought to my attention that the affiliate links are not working. So I updated the affiliate links again. I'm not sure what's going on. If you buy through an affiliate link, it will help me out a lot. I get a commission from Magix if you buy through the affiliate link. You don't pay any more for the software. It's just I get a small commission. And I really appreciate it if you could help me out. I updated the affiliate link. It should work now. I'm getting reports saying it's not working. No idea what's going on. But anyways, it's updated now. If you want to buy Vegas Pro 18, I'd say go for it. I was playing with it more today on motion tracking. Vegas Pro 18 is an excellent program. The motion tracking is just superb. I got a video come out tomorrow morning on it, a tutorial. And I'm really, really happy with Vegas Pro 18. I'm really happy with it. So I say if you're using Vegas Pro 17, I say go for 18 as well. It's really worth it. It's worth the money. Magix finally hit the nail on the head and got it right with this version. So once again, thank you for all your support and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.